Hi students, welcome to the channel. In this video lecture, we will discuss some key benefits of cloud computing in business, right? So as we have discussed in the previous video that in today's world, cloud computing plays a very important role in case of business, whether it is a small type business or large scale business, right? So the first key point we have is that file storage. As we all know, file storage is a common use of cloud computing, right? You can store a large amount of data on cloud. We can also store any kind of file. File can be of any type. It can be of image type, it can be of audio type, or it can be of video type, right? We can store any type of data with the help of cloud, and if we want, we can limit the access to our files. This is in the hand of developer. For example, I have very important file related to my business and I want only 3 people can access. Right, only 3 people can access this file with my permission. So this is taken under limit the access to our files, right? This is done with the help of private cloud services. It can be made highly secure. Cloud storage is essentially only limited to the maximum storage available from our provider, right? All access control is done by the service provider, right? The next point we have is data backup. In case of data backup, it is the common use of cloud computing. While you can back up your computer data or a drive, we can access any computer data or any drive, or either of these can be physically damaged in a storm, flood or fire, etc. The cloud offers you to place to backup data that is always from your location, right? We can back up data from anywhere, right? And we will keep data safe in a secure environment. If needed, you can also share these backup files to other members of your team. All these are services provided by cloud computing, and especially these services are designed for business. These services are designed for business people like IT companies or school, university level, etc. Third point we have is testing new projects. As we all know, all the technical companies often use their company's private cloud. All companies use their private cloud to test new programs or processes before they see the light of the day, right? An engineer can easily set up all the test programs with the help of cloud. We can set all the test programs on cloud, right? We can add data sets and then run the data through the program to find any leftover problems. It is used to find any leftover problems, testing, right, before pronouncing it ready to send to the client. Next point we have is increasing collaboration. Collaboration with your company and with other companies has become a global concern. So with the help of cloud computing, it makes collaboration easy no matter where you and your collaborators are physically located. As I have told you earlier, that with the help of cloud computing, we can access anything, any type of file from anywhere in this world, right? So this type of collaboration can be made private until you are ready to bring your finished work to public attentions. And also, even if you are working from home, like I am working from home, I am sending all these files to my seniors with the help of cloud, right? So this is the meaning of increasing collaboration, right? I am collaborating with my seniors. I am sending all these files with the help of cloud to my seniors to upload in a YouTube channel, right? Next point we have is disaster recovery. In the event of a disaster, we can easily recover our files, programs, any type of files, programs and data from the cloud as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. Internet connection is needed, right? Cloud computing is a good way to safeguard your important business information. This is very important statement. Cloud computing helps us to safeguard our important business information for recovery later on, right? Next and the last point we have is IaaS and PaaS, right? As we have discussed in the previous video, IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service and PaaS means platform as a service, right? With the help of cloud computing, we can get or we can offer your clients the use of your infrastructure to host their cloud services. Host their cloud services. Another option is to sell third-party infrastructure for creating websites to promote clients' product and services. In case of PaaS, we can get any type of platform. We can get any type of platform to run our applications. We can run any type of application from anywhere in this world, right? I can access any software, any hardware and any infrastructure with the help of cloud computing. All these infrastructure, software and hardware are taken under IaaS. So in case of business, if I want to access any software, I don't want to buy that software. I just want to access that software only for one day. I can get this with the help of cloud computing and I have to pay only that much amount. As we all know, cloud computing works on the principle of pay per use mode, right? So I have to pay only that much amount. So this is all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.